Well, welcome to day 6 of riding here in Iowa. We're going to do one last ride on our way home. We're in Clarksville, Iowa this morning, and we're going to ride the Rolling Prairie Trail. I think the section we're going to do, it's paved all the way to Bristow, and probably be about 26, 27, maybe 28 miles total going out and back. You can also ride from here to Shell Rock, but you have to be on the highway a little bit. Didn't look too bad. There's a shoulder. You could add another 6 or so miles or 12 miles round trip to that. And I think it's a trail they're working hard here in this county to keep extending the paved part of it. It's hard to tell. Some maps tell you can go past Bristow, so we'll see. And come along with us and find out. So next town is Allison. Nice marking so far. Looks like a nice trail. Boy, it's a bit chilly out this morning. I think it's 59 degrees. It's supposed to warm up to 75. Hopefully pretty soon. I'm braving it without a jacket. Julie's got her jacket on. Artifact from the old railroad track that used to go through here. This is a rails to trail. I can't remember exactly which railroad it was. I think it was the Dubuque, Iowa something railroad. So we're not quite sure why, but the bridges sometimes have a sign one way and not the other, but telling you to walk your bikes across the bridges. Not sure if that's just because it gets slippery or there's some mechanical reason, but I guess we'll just slow down. Well, Butler County's doing a really nice job signage wise. So far the trail's great. Well, we're coming into Allison, right about 7.5 miles. Trailhead here, but there's no signs on how to get to the trail just on the other side of town. We can see it. I'm guessing we just kind of go along this road and we'll be able to hook back up to it. And that worked. Here we are, back on the trail after a couple block break. Well, just make sure you don't go straight. They block it off for you. So I guess we curve our way here. I'm assuming somewhere along here we will, yeah, we'd cross the road here. Well, we're being a little careful here. We've had a couple deer come out in front of us, so last one was almost right on us, so don't want to get hit by a deer. Well, it seems in Iowa they're going to cement on their new trails for the most part that we've seen. This is a beautiful trail that they just put down here, I don't know, a year or so ago. Now coming into Bristow here. A little bit of a trailhead. I'm not sure if the trail keeps going or not. It looks like it does for a ways there, but I think it's crushed rock, maybe. We'll see. Well, maybe it's still paved. Okay, so it does end at the end of Bristow. and it looks like you can't go really any further. So trail closed beyond this point. Do not enter. Well, 14.5 miles, the trail ends completely. Not even dirt at that point. So the open street map, cycle layer map, is incorrect. It shows it going a few miles past the town. Well, we picked up a pretty good headwind. Weather.com was just telling me it was only 10 miles an hour. It feels a bit more than that. We should hit some trees here to get some protection pretty soon. A nice little break from the wind here in the trees, but it looks like maybe it's going to stop up there. Nice news is that the last 7 miles is pretty sheltered, so that'll be nice. Boy, it's a beautiful trail though. It's a shame they didn't keep the old railroad bridge for using for the bike trail, but I guess it was so dilapidated they took it out. I'm not sure how well it's going to come out on this, but I can see some crops coming up there. I'm assuming it's probably corn. Now back into our tree cover area. Be nice to be out of the wind for a bit, although it hasn't been too bad. Well, what a great way to finish a ride on this stretch here. It's all sort of a gradual downhill. I think the other section coming back was a bit of an uphill, but it's all pretty mild on this sort of old rails, the trail. It's a nice way to finish going downhill. And we're back in Clarksville. We're going to head to the Hairy Woods State Park. Julie pointing out the eagle's nest over there. It's a huge one. Well, back to the trailhead here where we parked in Hairy Woods State Park. Seems like the state parks here, for the most part, you can go into them for free. You just got to pay for camping, I think. That was another beautiful ride. What a gem here they've got. It would be nice to go down the Shell Rock and see the rest of the trail, which I think is nice and wooded and a lot more hilly. But this is a beautiful trail. So if you're in the area, give this a try. Come up here to Clarksville and ride this trail. Till our next adventure, we'll see ya. The Rolling Prairie Trail was indeed a nice trail, very scenic. I can imagine later in the summer when all the fields are green with the crops and all the trees have their leaves on them, it'd be very, very scenic and beautiful. It was a nice way to finish up our ride along the Cedar River and the other areas of Iowa that we really enjoyed. All the bike trails there, they really have some gems down there. Thank you for watching our video. Like it if you liked it. Please comment below and subscribe so you can stay current with our adventures.